Welcome to Altop Industries. My name is Vicky Malwa and this is the all-new Altop A Pro panel. Now the reason this panel is all new and we call it A Pro is because of especially the new metallic gun grey design, new connectivity ports that we have over here, easier to use power button, it's just a touch button, there's no hold involved in it, and stylus hiding from students as well. So it becomes easier for teachers to protect these small things because these can get lost very easily. Now, as we come to the interactive panel itself, it comes with a very strong zero bonding glass and also has a ton of features that we're going to dive into. But right before that, let me show you the camera. It has an inbuilt camera that can be used for multiple purposes across classrooms and office spaces. So we begin with the general user interface. As you start the interactive panel, these are your basic options with an application bar, a source bar for multiple connectivity, and tools on the side, which we'll come back to later, right? So we'll start with our applications. As you can see, the interactive panel already comes with a downloaded range of many multi-user applications across, again, office spaces and classrooms that teachers can use to better interact with their students and offices can use to better interact with their co-workers. Microsoft Teams, for example, or you have WPS Office, you have YouTube, you have Zoom. You have an inbuilt screen share application as well that allows up to 9 screens to be shared in one interactive panel at one time. Moving forward, as I go on to the tools. Now these are some basic tools as this product is not a general computer that you see in the market, right? It's an interactive panel that comes with a lot of functions and a lot of tools that have to be widespread in terms of knowledge. So, as I go to all, if you can see here, you have split screen options, the camera access like we spoke about. You have instantaneous file transfer options. You have screen locks. You have like that. You have timers to allow you to run basic activities in your class. And a whole sort of options, screen recording, cropping, screen freezing, touch overloads, calculators, and thus pretty much everything that your smartphone can do, right? As we move even more forward, we have the Note, which is the most essential application to any teacher and to any classroom, right? This application also comes with various features as you can see here. We have our pen, where I can take any sort of pen, a color. This is an intelligent pen that detects shapes and everything. We have eraser basic again, clean all option. We have different geometrical instruments. We have our shapes, whatever shape you want to write in, with a partition option as well. As you can see, I've split the screen into 3 different parts, right? Also, we have tables. It depends on what size of table you're looking at. We have mind maps. If the teacher wants to be a little innovative in the way she wants to present information to her classroom, this can come in handy. We also have sticky notes if there's an important piece of information that I need my students to remember over long periods of time, or my co-workers of course. This sticky note, if I just write, it'll stay there for the rest of my class or the rest of my session, right? We also have a preview option which basically extends your page to whatever size you want. If I'm writing an essay and my essay gets over there as I start writing from here, but I want to keep writing, I can use the preview option, right? There's also a basic gridding system, that's pretty straightforward. And you can add up to 99 slides right from there. As soon as I'm done with my session, my class gets over, I move forward here. In today's world of technology, when everybody has an access to smartphones and tablets, I can share my entire lecture with that one simple QR code to all my students or to their parents or whatever system the school prefers. We also have a menu bar over here, different sharing options, cloud storage, theme changing. If I want a blackboard theme over a white, I can decide. There's a football field, there's everything, right? Okay. As I move back, my last aspect over here are my files. Now, this interactive panel can store different sort of files either in its in-house storage or in the cloud drive as per the consumer's choice. every time you store a document, note, picture, any sort of media, it will come in this format over here. Very easy to use, very easy to understand. Right? As you move back, the last option we have is screen sharing. Now this is the interactive panel's own technology of screen sharing. This is not Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, none of that. Of course you can use those as well, but you can use this as well, and this is again not a video calling application. It is screen sharing. Like for example, if I'm a teacher and I have 9 students sitting with me, and I want all those 9 students to present information to me at the same time, I can have all of them use their smartphones or their computers and use these 2 connectivity options to have my classroom running in a much better and more efficient way. Right? Thank you very much.